responding to air raid alarms, blackout action plan. When life feels peaceful, families dining, children playing, markets buzzing, it's easy to forget how fragile that peace is. At the moment an air raid siren pierces the calm, everything changes. India's safety doesn't begin at the border. It begins with you. When you hear the siren, act fast. Turn off all lights, fans, and appliances. Draw the curtains. Shut the windows. Even a single spark can guide the enemy. This isn't panic. This is preparedness. The strength of a nation that knows how to protect its own. Teach your children what to do. A child pulls the curtain. A teen helps their grandparents turn off the lights. A family sits in silence, calm, composed, ready. Across the city, the spirit awakens. Volunteers check rooftops for light leaks. Women check on elderly neighbors. Soldiers at the border, calm, alert, unwavering. This is India. Every home, a fortress. Every citizen, a shield. In darkness, we don't hide, we unite. From cities to villages, a quiet blackout spreads. Not out of fear, but love. Love for country, love for each other, and belief that in every test, India stands tall. Stay calm, stay strong. We belong to India. India belongs to us.
Namaste India. I am Aapda Mitra, your shield, your trusted companion. When danger strikes and an air raid happens, our first line of defense is blackout. Turn off all the lights, draw the curtains, cover every glow, whether it's a bulb or a screen. Why? So the enemy sees nothing and we all stay safe. If you need to move, do so calmly and carefully. No panic, no rushing. Help the elderly, guide the children. Step by step, hand in hand, we walk to safety. Calm, united, ready. If someone is injured, don't worry, stay calm, act fast, stop the bleeding, tie a bandage, call for help. First aid saves lives. To prepare the public, 200 teams, each with 1 supervisor and 30 trained volunteers, will cover 10 societies every hour. They will guide citizens through 3 essential drills: first blackout, then evacuation, and finally first aid. And to test our alertness, 50 random calls in Delhi will be made to Aapda Mitras on Helpline 112, testing our readiness, our commitment, and our courage. I am Aapda Mitra, and so are you. Together, we are protectors. Together, we are India's shield.
When danger strikes, readiness saves lives. In every school across the nation, every second counts. Because every child matters. The alarm sounds. Without hesitation, teachers take charge. Lights off. Curtains drawn, windows shut. Everyone down, under your desks or against the wall. They sweep the hallways, the playgrounds, the bathrooms, pulling every child to safety. Inside, students move fast. They duck under desks, cover their heads with hands or school bags. Those near the walls crouch low, hands over their necks. Older students help the younger ones. Small hands, big courage, protecting each other, protecting themselves. Teachers stay calm. Their voices are steady. Their presence is reassuring. Doors are locked. Emergency kits are ready. They move room to room, watchful, composed, guiding every child. At home, preparedness continues. Children talk to their families about what they learned in school. Because safety begins with awareness. At night, drawing thick curtains or using dark cloth helps block out any light that could attract danger. And every household should keep a small emergency kit, basic medicines, a torch, water and essentials, ready for any situation. In those quiet, tense moments, something powerful happens. An entire school stands united, silent, alert, prepared, not in fear, but in strength. Because when we prepare together, we stand strong. When we protect each other, we protect the nation. Lights off, duck down, cover your head, stay away from windows, trust your teachers, talk to your family, prepare your kit, protecting every child, protecting India's future.